Oh, it's not recording.
I really want to get this video of Jasmine singing me I'm a Little Teapot on my MySpace, but I just don't know how to do that.
Where's it at?
You have to go to YouTube.
Do you have it on your little thingamajig?
Uh-huh.
Do you have the cord that hooks into the computer with you?
Yep.
Do you really? Yeah, go to YouTube. Why can't she go to the media player and download it on the computer?
I don't know what that is.
I tried that on my computer and then I couldn't get it from there.
Oh goodness. Don't look at YouTube.
Look at him, he's biting it. Okay,
He's looking for it. Where's it at?
I jumped and I think I got it off.
Looking for it.
I jumped and I think I got it off camera.
He's still looking.
Okay, now he's sniffing everywhere for it. I hope I didn't move it too bad.